She did abortion and died. All the students are pregnant. Wednesday is the name of a person. Please, where is your husband? The fair man drank poison and died. You can't command a nurse to give you injection. She had sexual intercourse with his cousin. Abigail was sent to the hostel. Saturday is my birthday. March borns are beautiful. They crucified Jesus Christ on the cross. The bad man is crying. They went to Accra yesterday night. They went to Accra yesterday night. My father is at work. My auntie has a big black cat. Children need quality education for better future. My mother went to the hospital, but she didn't meet the doctor. I want to be a professional midwife in USA. I went to the hospital for treatment. My mother is a trader. Please, can we be friends? My mother is the most beautiful woman. The world is full of surprises. The girl will travel to Kumasi today. I am going to the hospital to see the doctor. I ate banku this morning. My father is a doctor. I read in the church every Sunday. My mother sells vegetables at the market. I have a pregnant sister. My husband traveled with airplane. I was diagnosed with malaria. Mommy, the doctor said I have vaginal discharge. Doris, your sister said your mother's surgery will be done on Monday. I am going back to the hospital to see the doctor. Kofi impregnated Amma. I want to become a doctor in future. Can I be your friend? Water is good for your health.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.